If you need to pack up your system for travel, you may use the original case that it arrived in. Open the carrying case from the top. Ensure that the system power is off by unplugging it. Detach the power adapter and cord. Ensure that the cable for the handheld unit wraps around the system using the slot located at the base of the unit. Secure the handheld unit in the storage cradle. Slide the guides and power cords into the pocket inside the travel case. Gently lift the system by the built-in handle located on the side of the unit and slide it securely into the carrying case with the pillow facing away from you. Zip the case closed.